In this video, you are going to learn exercise number 4.5. First question, draw the following. The square READ with RE length is 5.1 centimeter. Here, to construct any square, only one independent measurement is required. This one you know very well. By using this concept only, we are going to construct a square. First, we are drawing the rough sketch of the square rough sketch. We know that in square all the four sides have equal length. Square we are drawing with all the four sides of equal length. READ is the square with all the four sides. RE length is 5.1 centimeter. So this also 5.1 centimeter. AD is also 5.1 centimeter. DR is also 5.1 centimeter. Reason, all the four sides are equal in length in square. We know that each and every interior angle is right angle in square. So everywhere 90 degree is there. This concept also is useful to construct this figure. This is the rough sketch of the given figure square READ. First we have to go to baseline. What is the baseline? RE is the baseline with length 5.1 centimeter. We wanted to construct the baseline. We are taking ruler and with length 5.1 centimeter. Observe here how we are drawing this 5.1. So here at 0 you mark a point at 0 and another point at 5.1. 5 after a small line will be there. This will be 5.1. After marking the points, join them. This is R point and this point is E point with length 5.1 centimeter. After that, what you need to do? Other three line segments also you have to construct. So what is the concept we are taking here? The each and every interior of the square is 90 degree. That concept we are taking. So at E, I wanted to construct 90 degree. For this you need to take protractor. Place the center point of the protractor at E and the 0, 0 line of the protractor should coincide with the RE and search for 90 degree. After the adjustment you have to search for 90 degree. So 90 degree is here 90. At 90 you mark a point. Then with the help of ruler you have to join these points. So we are drawing a ray EX. We are drawing a ray EX such that angle REX is equals to 90 degree. We have drawn a ray EX such that angle REX is equals to 90 degree. After that you need to locate point A such that EA length will be 5.1 centimeter. For that you have to depend on compass. On compass you have to select 5.1 centimeter. With radius 5.1 centimeter. So 5 after exactly the first line is 5.1. So adjust the compass with radius 5.1 centimeter. After that you have to search that which is 5.1 centimeter. You are taking EA. A point you don't know. You know only E point. So take the point of the compass at E such that taking E as center and 5.1 centimeter as radius, draw an arc. So this arc is intersecting EX ray at the point A such that EA length will be 5.1 centimeter. Next concept is you have to locate point D. D is the combination of RD as well as AD. AD length is 5.1 centimeter. RD length also 5.1 centimeter. So to draw the line segment, here we are taking compass only. Already in the previous step we have selected the radius as 5.1 centimeter. So without changing this compass measurement, taking A as center and 5.1 centimeter as radius, draw an arc. Next, RD length is 5.1 centimeter. D point you don't know, so that is why take the point R as center, and 5.1 RD length is 5.1 centimeter. So taking R as center and 5.1 centimeter as radius, you have to cut the previous arc. Both arcs are meeting at one point. The meeting point, you assume it as D, point D. After locating point D, you have to join RD as well as AD. Adjust the ruler, join RD points as well as AD. Join RD and AD. This is AD length is 5.1 centimeter. RD length also 5.1 centimeter. Now READ is our required square.